Hi guys, so last week I gave you some tasks on lens mass and capacity to actually see how much you could remember and how well you could work with it. So well done for those of you who have completed it. And now I'm going to give you a series of lessons on how to do all of them, but separately. So today we're going to be talking about measuring length. So I might be using some of the keywords that you can see on the board, but what I want you to be able by the end of the lesson is to be able to read and transform measurements using the metric system. I know that some of you were actually a bit shy about this last week, so we will only be talking into centimeters, millimeters, kilometers, and so on. I will not be talking in yards, miles, inch, or foot, which is actually very good because I'm French and it's not natural at all. So for most of us, measuring things will imply using a ruler. Most of our rulers will be in centimeters, but it will also allow us to read in millimeters. So all you need to know is that when I've got 1 centimeter, it means that I've got 10 millimeters. So here it's just a question when we transform between one to the other is to multiply or divide by 10. So obviously, as you're approaching GCSE, we will not be simply talking about centimeters and millimeters. We will also be talking about meters and kilometers. So the symbols are very, very important. They're also international, which means that in whatever country you are going to, we will be using the same. So below, I've drawn a grid that actually could potentially help you with the transformation. So for example, if I give you 1 kilometer, I'd expect you to write 1 underneath the kilometer heading. And then if I was asking you how many meters have I got in 1 kilometer, you'd simply need to add zeros up until you arrive at the meter heading, and that would show you 1000, and that would help you with the answer. I will be using this grid later on in future lessons, so don't panic if you don't get it. This is more for the visual learners. So first task that I'd like you to complete is to transform some measurements. So I am giving you a measurement and I need you to transform it. So please complete this on a piece of paper, take a picture and upload your answer onto a class chart. Pause the video now whilst you are completing this task. Now this is a second task, a bit more difficult. A bit more varied, especially that I've included some decimals as well. So you can download the worksheet if you want, but you can also simply do it on a piece of paper, take a picture and upload it back onto class chart. Thank you. Now, extension task. Now, guys, I do not expect you to complete all 4 tasks, okay? I need you to complete 2. So please remember the colors that I'm always using. Green, easy. Red, difficult. Purple, wow, that's pretty much a big challenge. So I need you to complete at least 2 tasks. I would like all of you at least to complete the amber task and then choose between the green and the red. If you decide to do red and purple, guys, that would make me a very, very happy teacher. Make sure you read the instruction properly. Same again, you can upload the extension, download the extension, and then upload it from class chart. Happy measuring, guys.